Your goal when creating a branding watermark for YouTube is to make it as visible as possible so people can interact with them by hovering over it and potentially subscribe to your channel from the video that they're currently watching. The branding watermark is literally a second subscription button that could potentially double your subscribers. So if you want to maximize conversions from watchers to subscribers, choose a solid watermark that stands out. Today I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to create a YouTube branding watermark on Canva and how you can upload your branding watermark on YouTube Studio. Any point of this video, you can check out the description below for the link of a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. My name is Suellen and I want to help you build your online business by teaching practical skills related to design, marketing, and business. Let's get started. To create this YouTube branding watermark, go to your Canva subscription, then click on Create a Design, then Custom Size, type 150 by 150 and create new design. For the background, I wanted to get the exactly red color that YouTube uses, so I went to this website called Image Color Picker and I uploaded a screenshot that I took from the YouTube website. And here I can hover over and get the red color that YouTube uses. Then I just copy and paste here. Then go to Elements, type YouTube, change the color to white, then text, add a heading, change the size to 18, the family to Lato, make it bold, and then change the color to white. And now let's add some effects. Go to the shadow one, offset 23, direction -50, and change the color to this one. And here just click on download, PNG, and download. To upload your YouTube branding watermark, go to your YouTube Studio. Under Customization, Branding, we see Video Watermark. So here you upload. And then click Publish. The display time of the video watermark can be the end of the video, custom start time, or the entire video. I leave mine on the entire video, but it's totally up to you. Just keep in mind that what you have here is gonna show in all of your videos. Let's create this YouTube branding watermark. So go to your Canva subscription, click on Create a Design, Custom Size, and type 150 by 150 and create new design. Canva has lots of ideas for background that you can choose by looking at background, also photos, and also elements. Elements, I'm gonna type red, and here we can see that Canva has lots of designs that we can choose from. I'm gonna choose this one, set image as background, click on text, add a heading, then change the size to 36, change the font family to Lato, change to bold, add effects, shadow, offset to 23, direction to -50, and also change the color. Then copy and paste. This we can change the size to 18. And here you just need to click download, PNG, and download. To create this YouTube branding watermark, go to your Canva subscription, then click on create a design, custom size, type 150 by 150 and create new design. Then go to elements and type square, make it smaller. Change the color to the red that YouTube use. Go to elements again and type YouTube. Make it smaller. Change the color to white. Go to text, add a heading. Change the size to 18. The family to Lato. And the color to white. Make it bold. Then in Effect, Shadow, change the offset to 23, the direction to -50, and the color to this one. And here you click on download, PNG, and this one choose transparent background and then download. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Canva for your business.